Good morning, students. Now today your topic is to do question answer. Now question answer, that is question number A, fill in the blanks. First, B keep dash and dash as pets. You can write any name of pets that you have. That is dog, cat, rabbit, rat, parrot. You can write any two animals in this fill in the blanks. Now question number 2, dash assist police in search operation. Who assist police in search operation? Write down dogs. Now third, Kasturi is an ingredient of dash deer. Kasturi is an ingredient of fill musk deer. Now have you filled musk deer. Now question number 4, dash of elephant have been used for making jewelry. Tusk. Write down tusk. Tusk. Now question number 5, extinction of frogs will increase the dash population. Write down insect. In question number 5, you have to fill up insect. Food chains are found in all dash, in all habitats. Write down habitats. Have you written? Habitats. In question number 6. Now we proceed on question number B. Question number 1, crab. Match the crab with D. 1D, seafood. 1D, seafood. Oyster, that is sea, pearl. Oyster, match oyster with pearl. Now question number 3, ox. Ox, match it with pulling cart, A. Third A, pulling cart. Now question number 4, mountain goat. Match it with E, pashmina wool. Mountain goat. Now match it with question number E, pashmina wool. Have you written? Now question number 5, bald eagle. Bald eagle, match it with B, endangered animals. Match it with endangered animals. Have you written? Now I am repeating it. Crab with seafood, oyster with pearl, ox with pulling cart, mountain goat with pashmina wool, and bald eagle with endangered animals. Have you written? Now we proceed on question number C. A delicacy made from the unfertilized eggs of a variety of fish is the what? Caviar. C 1B. Caviar. Answer of 1, question number 1, that is caviar. Now question number 2, which of these animal is extinct? Now write down kaga. C 2 sheep. Now third, the body part of rhinoceros for which it is often hunted by an human is dash. Third B, horns. Now question number 4, humans are destroying habitat of animals by dash. Now D, 4D, cutting down of tree. Cutting down of tree. Now question number 5, which of the following food chain is correct? Now write down B, grain is eaten by hen, hen is eaten by man. This is the correct option. 5B. Have you written? Now question number D, question answer, name 5 wild animals. You can write any 5 animals, that is elephant, dog, cat, giraffe, tiger, and or bear. Huh? So you can write any 5 wild animals. You are understanding that the animals found in forest you have to write. Now give the meaning of the term food chain. Food chain is a chain of animals with plant in which animals are dependent on each other for taking food. Animal food chain is a chain of animals with plant in which animals are linked with each other for taking food. Understand? Now question number 3. How are human beings destroying the natural surrounding of wild animals? Write down by cutting down of trees. By cutting down of trees. Now we proceed on question number 4. Name the animals that can become man-eaters. Leopard and tiger. Leopard and tiger. Have you written? Now question number 5. Which act has been passed by the Indian government to protect wildlife? Write down Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Wildlife Protection Act 1972. Have you written? Now state any 5 ways in which animals are useful to us. Write down first point. Animals give us milk. Now second point. Animals give us cloth, that is woolen cloth or silk. Animals give us wool, write down wool or silk. Have you written? Now third point. Animals give us eggs. Now fourth point. Animals give us pearl. Have you written? Fourth point. Animals are used for transportation. Animals are used for transportation. Now fifth point. They are used for ploughing the field. Have you written? Now question number 2. Differentiate between extinct and endangered animals. Give 2 examples of each type. Now write down. Give 1 line between extinct animals and endangered animals. Extinct animals, write down. Those species of animals which are no longer living. Those species of animals which are no longer living. Have you written extinct animals? Example, write down. Kaga, passenger pigeon. Have you written? Kaga, passenger pigeon. Now endangered animals. Those species of animals which are in danger of becoming extinct. Example, golden lion, panda, etc. Golden lion, panda, etc. Have you written? Now, question number 3. What is the wildlife trade? Write down illegal hunting. Wildlife trade is the illegal hunting and poaching activities by human beings. Have you written? Wildlife is the illegal hunting and poaching activities by human beings. Why is it harmful? It is harmful because, write down, it is harmful because many species of animals are extincted. It is harmful because many species of animals are extincted. Have you written? Now question number 4. Suggest any 4 steps to prevent cruelty to animals. Suggest any 4 steps to prevent cruelty to animals. Write down. We should not throw the polythene with food in garbage. Have you written? We should not throw the polythene with food in the garbage. Now second point, we should love our pets. Third point, we should keep water in earthen bowl in our backyard. Now fourth point, we should not keep the birds in a cage. We should not keep the birds in a cage. Now fourth point, we should not keep the fish in aquarium. Have you written? Now question number 5. Some wild animals are hunted because their body is considered useful by man. Give 4 examples of such wild animal. Also mention the parts of the body which is used in each case. Write down. Elephant dash tusk. Now second, rhinoceros dash, write down horns. Now third, tiger dash bones, skin and claws. Bones, skin and claws. Have you written? Now fourth, deer kasturi. Now all question answer have been done. Now next day I will teach you value based question, that is summary of value based question. Okay.